Can I operate my automatic standby generator on manual mode because it would not start up? The utility service was shut down and my generator started up but only ran for 5 minutes and stopped. Utility continued to stay off. I checked the generator and had to reset maintenance settings, which I did, and it stated it was ready and active, but it still won't start. So, I started it on manual mode to have lights.
Hello. My name is I'm going to assist you with this. Running the genset in manual is no problem. But you may have to manually trip your transfer switch to get the power into your home.
Okay, the manual transfer switch is currently in the down position indicating generator. So, should I switch it up to the utility position? I am not sure why is down. Posted by JustAnswer Customer and number 39, S request, hello. I would like to request the following expert services from you, help via email or text message. Let me know if you need more information, or send me the service offers so we can proceed.
If utility is not present, the TS contactor should be down when the genset is running. If utility is present, go ahead and trip the TS to the utility position.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.